god. I don't even want to go out there anymore. I may be recording the video now, but I saw.
We just saw a big lightning bolts.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going out. Just for 1 second. Oh god, it's gonna flood or something. Oh god, I'm cold now. Oh, why am I getting so close? Oh my god.
It's flooding. Yeah, my phone.
Yeah, I'm staying back. If it starts to blow, I'll know. So, oh, I don't think anyone could see that on camera, but lightning flash. It looks like it's gonna flood. I don't want to. I kind of want to look down there, but I'll probably do it in the window. See if we can see anything. The lights are on.
Oh, it's flooding.
Yeah, I'm going to check that. Oh wait, that's gonna show me. That's gonna show me.
Down, but not with the phone.
Okay, I'll end the video in a minute. I just want to see a lightning bolt.
Hits the.
Oh.
Hits the camera.
Yeah, that'd be insane.
Over 10.
Actually happens. If it starts blowing, it's gonna be like. "Ah." Please, I only have like a few more seconds I can record. And golly geez. Is this phone waterproof? I bet not. Okay.
No. Jeez.
Yeah, I'm ending the video now.
Look how many dead bugs are on the ground.
Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm going.
Now look down.
Yeah. Whoa.